Hello, this is Ashee from Crafting with Ashee and welcome to this Christmas crafting tutorial. Thank you for joining me today. This is what we're making today. It's this lovely little magnetic bookmark. Isn't it cute? And I just got these little magnets online and you close it and I just think it's so sweet. It'd be such a nice little gift to someone who loves to read. Just a little something something. So let me show you how I made it. Okay, so I have a piece here of basic white cardstock. You could use thick basic white, normal basic white, it doesn't really matter. And this piece measures 7 inches by 2.5 inches, and I've scored it at 3.5 inches on the long side. So now I've got a scrap piece here of basic white. The first thing I want to do is I want to cut my little snowbank. So I need a piece that measures 2.5 centimeters. 2.5 inches wide for my snowbank. Let's see, no, 2 inches wide, sorry, 2 inches wide. That's how wide this is. I should have said this is 7 inches by 2 inches. Okay. And then all I'm going to do is take my scissors, and I'm doing this freehand. Okay, and I'm just going to cut a little snowbank. Just like that, and that's going to be the bottom half of my card there. Okay, so on the top half of this card we're going to stamp our little snowman. So I'm going to get my blocks out. I need a nice big block for my snowman. So the stamp set I've used is this one called Snowy Wonder. We're using the snowman here, so let's put him on our block. And I've also got my simple chamois here for easy cleanup, and we're going to stamp a Memento Tuxedo Black, nice black ink. So there we go, give that a little clean. And then put this back in its home, and I'm going to stamp his little hat, whoopsie daisy, which is here. And I'm also going to also do this just in the same black. Give it a good ink up. There we go. Lovely, and then I'm going to stamp the sentiment quickly as well. So let's move to a different block. That'll do. And we're going to stamp this in cherry cobbler ink. So I'm just going to find that. Here it is, and I need a scrap piece again. So I'll use this one here of basic white. I'm going to measure, I'm going to use my grid paper to line up my sentiment. Ink that up nicely. There we go. You know what, I've done season's greetings and I wanted Let It Snow. I'm so used to doing season's greetings that I did the wrong one. Oh well, we'll save that one for another day. Let's do the right one this time. I'm going to do Let It Snow. Perfect, that'll fit nicely. Okay, so let's close that up. Got a little bit more to do with our inks before we cut everything out, so let's do that now. So let's put the stamp set away, and simple chamois, I just stored it in an old stamp case like that. Can you get some Pool Party ink out? I'm going to find my base. Here it is. And I want to just put some ink at the top of one half. So I'm going to take a little bit of post-it note tape to mask off my area. so I don't get ink where I don't want it. So I'm just going to mask off the top like that. I've got some Pool Party. I'm just going to go in. I'm just going to ink up. You can do this as light or as dark as you want. I'm just going to see how far I need to go down. I need to go quite a bit further down. Remember, some of this will also get covered up by your snowman, so don't worry too much about it. And it will smooth out as the ink dries, you'll find. So let's see where we are. Yeah, that's fine. Lovely. Okay, so that is our inking done. So let's remove our post-it note tape, and there you see it's masked it off beautifully. Set that aside. We're going to cut out our snowman using the matching dies from the Snowy Wonder die set, and I'm going to just quickly do that, and I'll see you in a tick. Okay, so we've cut out a little snowman. We're ready to assemble everything. I'm going to keep everything very flat because it's meant to be a bookmark. So let's put a bit of glue on our snowbank. Like that, and line it up with the base of our bookmark. Because it is wet glue, it gives you a bit of time just to straighten everything out. Perfect. And then I'm going to put some, first I'm going to get my little orange marker, sorry for the stretch. This is my pumpkin pie Stampin' Up marker. I'm going to just colour in my little snowman's carrot nose, and then we're going to put some glue on the back here. Of the snowman, and just pop him up wherever we want. That looks fine. And then the hat on top. I think it's a little angle's nice. And then we want to put down our sentiment. So I'm going to see if I can cut this just a little bit closer because it's a bit big. I'm just going to use my scissors to do that. That will do fine. Put that there. Try and get it straight. That will do. Let it snow. Okay. And then I'm going to take some of these loose snowflakes that are in here. I'm just going to put a few into my little tray. And then I'm going to take my Take Your Pick tool, and I'm going to put some just here and there on my background. So a little bit of glue, I need to clean this. That's better. 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. Try and keep to an uneven number. It looks better, I find. And there's different sizes of snowflakes in this collection or this mix. So I'm going to use some different ones here. This is the only bit of, don't like that one there, so let's take it out, find a different one. I think like that's better. So there you go. Let's clear the decks a bit. There are our two bookmarks. Now all we have to do is add the bookmark piece, and I've got this online and it comes as a pair of magnets. So all I'm going to do is open my magnet, open my bookmark, line it up, stick it down, remove the sticky stuff on the other side, the backing, fold that, and there we have, oops, push that down, there we have our magnets. And I needed to let that sit and dry for a second before I did that, but I didn't have the time, doesn't matter. There you have your two little magnets. I think they're rather cute. If you like them, I'd be grateful if you could give it a thumbs up so YouTube know, and please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you're wanting more information about the project, the supplier list, the measurements, etc., you'll find it all on the blog post, and that's linked below, as well as all my social media links. So thank you again, and until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye.